Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting video where we'll explore Mermaid Playground, a tool that helps you create ER diagrams, flowcharts, Gantt charts, and more using AI. Whether you're a developer, student, or business analyst, this is going to be a game changer for you. So, let's get started. Mermaid Playground is an online tool that lets you create and export various types of diagrams, such as flowcharts, sequence diagrams, Gantt charts, class diagrams, state diagrams, entity relationship diagrams, pie charts, and more. The best part? You just need to write the diagram structure in Mermaid syntax, and it automatically converts it into a visual representation. Now, you might be wondering, do I need to write all the code myself? Not at all. You can use AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT to generate the Mermaid code for you. For example, let's say you want to create an ERD for an e-commerce database. Simply give this prompt to the AI. Create an entity relationship diagram that visually represents the structure of an e-commerce company's database system. Write the code in Mermaid syntax. And here's the code it generated for us. Now, let's paste this code into Mermaid Playground and see the magic happen. Wow! Look at that. With just a few lines of code, we've created a professional-looking ERD. Isn't that amazing? Mermaid Playground isn't just for ER diagrams. You can also generate various other charts. Let's look at some examples. First, let's create a flowchart. Here's a simple example of a decision-making flowchart. We'll paste the code into Mermaid Playground, and voila, the flowchart is ready. Next, let's create a Gantt chart for a project timeline. Gantt charts are perfect for tracking tasks and deadlines. Here's the code, and here's how it looks in Mermaid Playground. Now let's create a sequence diagram. These diagrams are great for visualizing interactions between systems or components. Here's the code, and here's the result. Finally, let's create a mind map. Mind maps are perfect for brainstorming and organizing ideas. Here's the code, and here's how it looks in Mermaid Playground. Once your diagram is ready, you can export it in multiple formats like PNG, SVG, PDF, or even DOCX. Simply click the Export button, choose your format, and download the file. It's that easy. Here's a cool trick. You can also reverse engineer a diagram. For example, if you have an image of a diagram, you can upload it to ChatGPT or Claude and ask for the Mermaid syntax to recreate it. Let's try it with this ERD image. Here's the prompt. Provide the Mermaid syntax to recreate this ERD diagram. And here's the code it generated. Let's paste it into Mermaid Playground and see the result. And that's it. Today, we learned how to use Mermaid Playground to create stunning diagrams with the help of AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.